Tiniyak ng Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office o PCSO at Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation o PAGCOR na handa silang mag-abot ng tulong sakaling kapusin ang pondo ng gobyerno para sa ayuda. Sa gitna ito ng pangambang tumagal pa ang krisis sa bansa. Sa ginanap na hearing ng Senate Committee on Social Justice, Welfare and Rural Development kahapon April 7, direktang tinanong ng chairperson ng komite na si Senator Erwin Tulfo ang pamunuan ng dalawang ahensya kung mayroon silang maitutulong na pondo. Ito ay sakaling tuluyang maubos ang budget ng mga line agency gaya ng Department of Social Welfare and Development, Department of Labor and Employment at Department of Agriculture para sa pamimigay ng ayuda. Ayon kay Attorney Janine Marian Javier, Senior Legal Counsel ng PAGCOR, bukas sila sa anumang mungkahi mula sa mga ahensya kung paano pa sila makakapagbigay ng karagdagang suporta.
Sir, perhaps just to share, last year, sir, we had a budget, total income of 106 billion. 66 billion of that, sir, we provided to contributions to nation building. 50% of our income goes to the national government as our national government share, sir. These are used to fund priority projects such as the Universal Healthcare Act, Maharlika Investment Fund, among others. Perhaps, sir, if the concerned agencies can suggest how we can provide assistance, and baka this is something surely that we can take into consideration, sir, given our current funding obligations as well.
Ganito rin ang naging tugon ng PCSO, bagamat nakaprograma na ang kanilang budget para sa medical assistance. Sinabi ni Attorney Lauro Patiag na hindi imposible ang paglilipat ng pondo. Paliwanag ni Attorney Patiag, maaaring magpasok ng mga bagong programa o magsagawa ng realignment sa ilalim ng kanilang health and welfare program upang direktang matugunan ang kasalukuyang krisis.
As we have reported actually, Mr. Chair, the corporate operating budget of the agency is being prepared and crafted and approved ahead of the current year. However, there are situations that programs can be introduced and realignment of funds can be done. So it's possible in that sense, Mr. Chair. But the funds, all the funds currently are already programmed for this various programs as mentioned. But it is possible that if there is a need, one program may be considered for realignment in that budgeting program.
Bagamat una nang tiniyak ng Department of Budget and Management na may sapat pang pondo ang pamahalaan, nagsisilbing mahalagang safety net ang commitment ng dalawa sa pinakamalaking source ng kita ng gobyerno upang matiyak na hindi mapuputol ang ayuda para sa mga apektadong Pilipino. Jedne Resina, humahataw sa balita ngayon.